Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and tonight we are going to do a ZGaallerie dupe of their pumpkin. But the thing is, this is a glass pumpkin and it has lights on it. And I got this idea because my sister Felicia over at Miss Faith Marie channel did a haul, and she showed these beautiful pumpkins that she had gotten from Burlington. And before I even finished her video, I was pausing my video to run to another city to go and look for the pumpkins. But of course, you know, I could not find them. So I decided to do this, and it's a very easy project to do. And if you don't have this big bow right here that I'm showing, I got this bow from a thrift store, but Dollar Tree has small and medium size. But before we get into this, I want to talk about this container. It's a tea container because I told you guys I am a tea drinker. And Landnics, I did it before. Landnics sent me this, and it is a stainless steel water bottle. It keeps your stuff hot or cold. It's a vacuum layer. It's environmental friendly. Is impact resistance, and it's very portable. It has a strainer on the inside so you can strain your teas, and I just love it because I'm a tea drinker, and I just like it because I can put some tea in here, a tea bag, let it seep, and then drink it, and I don't have to worry about the tea bag getting stuck up in the top of it. And I love the top. I love the handle on it. It's got this feeling like rubber, but it's not rubber. It's stainless steel, but it feels like rubber. So it has that protective layer on it. And it stays hot and cold anywhere from 6 to 12 hours. It's a silicone base. And guys, I not only have this one for myself, but I have one for you guys as well. So all you have to do is be subscribed to our channel, like this video, leave me a comment down below saying enter me, and I will enter you in for the giveaway. I love the design of the bottle as well. So with that being said, I'm gonna let this run for until the 10th. That's 8 days, and then I'm gonna close it and I will pick a winner, because I love you guys that much that I want to share some of the lovely things that I get with you guys. So now we're going to get into the DIY. So for this DIY, like I said, you're going to need a bowl. This one I got from a thrift store for $2. It's a very big bowl, but it's just like the Dollar Tree small and medium bowls. I did not use the mesh. You're going to need some leaves. I plucked them off of a vine. I have these little bow things from Christmas, but if you don't have them, you can twist some wire up, and you're gonna need some jumbo glitter, some extra fine glitter. You're gonna need some lights. You're gonna need either one, a push light or a regular light, Mod Podge, paint, spray paint, jewels, hot glue gun, hot glue sticks, and two, like silver paint and white paint. So first I spray painted the little squiggly things and the leaves, and now I'm going to put some jumbo glitter and some extra fine. It's not, mine's is not glitter, it's German glass. Well, it is glitter, but it's German glass glitter, the extra fine. But if you don't have the German glass glitter, you can use extra fine glitter from Walmart or someplace, Hobby Lobby or Michael's. But I'm just going to dip this in here and get it all sparkly, and then I'm going to set them off to the side to dry. Now guys, Dollar Tree has this hairspray. It's for Halloween. They have it in silver and in gold. It's a hairspray glitter, and I used it on the leaves. I will tell you this, that if you need to use it right then, because it seeps out, it doesn't stop running. So by the time you want to, if you want to use it again like I tried to, I couldn't, because it was either all gone or the stopper was stopped up. So I have that, and now I'm gonna take the bowl. I was going to use acrylic paint, but I decided just to use spray paint. So I took it outside and spray painted it with a flat white spray paint. And now I have it back in. It's all dry. And I'm taking a pencil and I'm dividing the pumpkin up into 8 parts. I'm just taking the pencil and running the pencil down it. And it's just putting a little mark where I can see where I want to add the German glass glitter. So once I finish that, I'm going to take some Mod Podge and I'm going to put it down each one of those lines, and then I'm going to cover each one of those lines with German glass glitter. And guys, once I put the German glass glitter on, I'm going to take a napkin and I'm going to run down each side of it just to smooth the area out so the line could be kind of straight. And once I finish doing this part right here and putting the German glass glitter on, I'm going to take the Mod Podge again, and I'm just going to do random designs between each section. I'm just going to put some Mod Podge on it, and I'm going to then put jumbo glitter and German glass glitter all around the pumpkin to start giving it that ZGaallerie look at the top of it, where it's full of glitter and sparkle. So now here I am, I'm putting the design in it so I can put the German glass, the German glass glitter and the jumbo glitter all over it. And then I'm going to go back and use the Mod Podge again, and I'm going to cover, seal everything in, the paint and the glitter. I love the way this pumpkin turned out, guys. So now I have that done. I'm going back and I'm putting some rhinestones on top of it and on the sides. I'm putting the larger rhinestones around the top, and I'm gonna put some smaller rhinestones all around the pumpkin base. And after I do that, guys, I'm going to take a crystal knob and I am going to put it on the top of the pumpkin after I seal everything in. And once I put the top on the knob, crystal knob, I'm going to then go in and I'm going to put the squigglies on. I call it squigglies, but it's bows. And I'm going to it's imitating a vine. That's what it's supposed to be, a vine. And after I do that, I'm gonna put the vines on, and then I'm going to go in and put the leaves on as well. And guys, once I get the leaves on, this project is going to be a done deal. Oh, actually, I'm going to take that clear plate that I say you need, and it's going to be the base of it. It's going to close in the bottom of the pumpkin, and I'm going to put the string lights on the inside of the pumpkin to give it that glow. And I think it looks really good with the lights on. It has a real nice soft ambiance about it. Has like a yellow tintish glow. So I'm placing the last leaf now. And she's a done deal. Isn't she gorgeous, guys? So here she is sitting up on the desk that I'm getting ready to redo. And I think it came out really nice. I really like the fact that I was able to do this for what, maybe $4 probably or less. But guys, if you like this project as much as I enjoy making it, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And here it is with our glass tower that we made, base that we made. The ambiance of them together is really, really nice. Okay guys, I love you, 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 I love you to the moon and back again.